Hi everyone, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we have this 2022 Nissan Armada and we're going to do the headlight tint installation for this vehicle. So as you can see, this is how the headlight looks before doing the installation, and this is how it looks after the installation. So the tint has PPF properties, which means it will protect the lenses from yellowing over time, as well as protect it from any small scratches or any road debris that may hit the lens. Link for the product will be provided below, but with that being said, let's get started with the installation video. So the tools you need in order to install the tint kit will be Slip Solution, Tack Solution, a heat gun, squeegee, and a microfiber towel. And a step-by-step guide in order to create the two solutions will be in the description below. So before we start with the installation, we need to make sure we prep the headlight. So all we need to do is apply Slip Solution to the lens, and with a clean microfiber towel, remove any contaminants that the headlight may have. Okay, so to start off the installation, just apply Slip Solution to the lens and Slip Solution to the adhesive side of the film. Place the film onto the headlight. So with this one, all we need to do is just make sure the film just covers up to the edge here. So make sure it stays aligned there. And you're going to have just a little bit of extra material that covers this section here. So first, tack it down here to secure it, and then we'll work our way to each section. So lift the film, apply Tack Solution underneath this edge here, and apply Tack Solution on top. You can also apply Tack Solution on this area, that way the film starts tagging down faster. So make sure it stays aligned here, right on the edge. Grab your squeegee and tack it down to secure it. Another thing you can do just to help this section tack down faster is applying a little bit of heat around this area. So just apply heat. And apply Tack Solution one more time, and then hold it in place, and then just squeegee to tack it down. So once this section is secured, now we can move on with stretching the film and aligning it here and here as well. So when it comes to this side, just make sure everything's being covered here. So stretch it just a little bit, apply Tack Solution, and start tacking this film down. And like I said, you are going to have a little bit of material that covers around the curve here, so that's fine there. And then just stretch on top. Make sure this stays tacked down before you stretch going up. You can also stretch the film here since you need to cover this edge, and then tack it down. Just make sure you're tacking down the top, so do a light stretch, apply Tack Solution, and then secure it. You can apply a little bit of heat just to help remove this finger and help it tack down. Okay, now that this whole entire section is tacked down, we're going to finish off the top layer, stretch it, align it, and secure it, and we should be good. So lift the film, apply a little bit of Slip Solution, stretch it to remove all these fingers here until you reach to the edge, and then tack it down. Apply Tack Solution on the edge, stretch it, and then tack down. Just make sure to remove all the solution underneath this section here. That way we don't have any bubbles when we seal all of the edge. To seal the edges and remove the fingers, apply heat and tack them down little by little. So all you need to do is apply Tack Solution wherever you see those fingers, and then we'll seal them off by applying heat. You can wrap your microfiber towel around your squeegee, and then once you do that, use this method to tack everything down and remove any fingers. And take your time going through each section of the headlight. Remove the fingers, and then once you're done, you will post heat the entire headlight. So the last thing to do once you finish with the entire installation is to post heat the entire headlight. So just apply tack solution all over the headlight, and we're going to use our microfiber towel just to help remove any solution that's trapped underneath the film. And as we're using a microfiber towel, we're going to apply heat all around the headlight so it could help the adhesive on the film activate faster. So take your time when you're doing this step, and then when you're done with this process, you're done with the installation. Thank you for choosing Bogar Tech Design. As a small business, your support means everything to us. If you loved your product, please drop a review. If you have questions or issues, don't forget to message us via email. Once again, thank you so much for the support from our family to yours. So that concludes the installation video for the headlight tints for the 2022 Nissan Armada. We hope that the video helped you guys out with the installation. Don't forget to drop a like on the video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell. That way you don't miss any of our upcoming installation videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.